Bedhead, mess bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company.
A glorious morning. Sun's out, birds are flying, the water is absolutely spotlessly clean, and we're about to set off that away once we pack up. And our island has done us proud for the night, and so is our top.
After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company. In hell, I'll be in good company. In hell, I'll be in good company.
Frenchman told us the water's a few feet under level and flowing slower than normal, so it's been hard work to get to this point.
Save all your good luck pennies, all your good luck charms. They may be the only one that's gonna save you from harm. Save up all your good memories, stick 'em high up on the shelf. What do I got to do, mama, just to save me from myself? We say we ain't ever lost land, we always know the way. It's just up round the corner and then just keep on heading straight. We say that hope ain't ever lost claim, we can now run fate and just get up round the corner and then just keep on running straight, yeah, mama. up all your wishes, little one. The well gonna end up dry. You can't bear my leaving none tonight, and I can't bear your crying. Every dim and rainy road just gonna lead you to a shore. And I pray you save the angels up, child, to get you through the storm. Yeah, we say we ain't ever lost a clan. We always know the way. Hey, it's just up round the corner and then just keep on heading straight. We say that hope ain't ever lost a claim. We can outrun fate and just get up round the corner and then just keep on running straight. We say that we ain't ever lost a claim. We always know the way. Hey, it's just up round the corner and then just keep on heading straight. We say that hope ain't ever lost a claim. We can outrun fate and just get up round the corner and then just keep on running straight. Yeah, mama.
Okay, we're about to set off for the day, and it's a beautiful, beautiful morning here in the Loire Valley. I'm just having a little drift in the wind. Carl's about to come in, set up his drink. And that was our beach for the night, which was quality. So I'm happy about that. We had a good, what time is it? 9:20 in the morning.
We covered our bodies in the mud and moss, drunk on the rhythm of a cricket song. We were damn sure about it. And love was a shape in the slippery light, a flame on a mothlit moonless night. We were damn sure about it. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh. Caught in the arm of a blue-eyed storm, rain on cloth, on muscle, on bone. We were damn sure about it. And love was a half-blurred poem. You wrote the creak and the moan of a hardwood floor. We were damn sure about it. 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 Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, oh. Now I changed my name the day I left. I cut my hair, I hemmed my dress. I was damn sure about it. And you were playing piano in an empty room, a ringless finger, callous thumb. Damn sure about it. We were 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 damn sure about it. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, oh. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh. belly of a cold museum, staring at the beaks on the bird-faced men. Now you're sitting in the kitchen with someone else, stacking up peels of a clementine. Damn sure about it, we were damn sure about it. We were damn sure about it. We were damn sure about it. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Not so sunny today. I think we're going to have a bit of a wet one, me and Carlos. Oh, we're not made of chocolate. Carry on. Already raining on the water. Hopefully it'll be okay. As long as you don't get struck by lightning, obviously. Just having a little drift down. It's broken up a bit now, these plants. Carl's still in the midst of it there. They're hard going to get through these white flowers. Proper hard going. It's broken up a bit now, so we can move a bit.
This is not an escape, but I don't know how to hold someone without losing my grip. And you'll say I was bound to leave since I first stepped across your borders, since I crawled into your skin. I thought I heard you whisper in the dark that you knew where the light would be. I thought I saw your shape against the black. Thought I felt you moving beside me. We are not alone, and we are more alone than we've ever been. So hurry up and lose me, hurry up and find me again. And so I'll pass the lumber mills, I'll pass the coal mines and the parks and the dried up oil fields. I'll pass 1,000 lonely pines that bend their backs against the sun.
Fire.
And I'll mistake the station birds for the sound of my phone ringing. I thought I heard you whisper in the dark that you knew where the light would be. Don't wait for me to walk a straight line. You can only hold your breath so long. We are not alone, and we are more alone than we've ever been. So hurry up and...
Good morning from the Loire Valley. It's just gone 8 o'clock. We're breaking camp early because we've got to make a town to make a train. So we're on our way. It's not raining, but it's a little bit moody. But we're just finishing off packing. But there's nothing like the motivation of loads of hoof prints and the sound of cows to get you out your camp early. We've seen loads of bulls on the side. There's hoof prints everywhere here. We can hear them in the distance. We don't want them in the camp. So far, so good.
But you never liked it when I'd play dead. And you wondered why my love songs are always the grieving kind. Why I'd wander off to search for my reflection in the crowd. Oh, forget I said love. And also don't forget I said love. We are not alone, and we are more alone than we've ever been. So hurry up and lose me, hurry up and find me again.
Some mountains in men are bigger than you think. Some rivers so fast, hell, you can't take a drink. Some burdens so heavy, you can't help but sink in that ocean with the chains on one too many link. I'm a laid back one, and I've been one so long. I ain't perfect, you can tell by my songs. Brothers, forgive me for all of my wrongs. The good Lord, He's calling, and it's time to go home. Say what you will and do what you must. That rain's coming soon, boys, gonna clear up this dust. And I ain't had a home in so very long, but I'm heading to the house, boys, I'll leave the light on. 'Cause I'm a laid back one, and I've been one so long. I ain't perfect, you can tell by my songs. Brothers, forgive me.
You know, man, la Loire, c'est la best road vers l'ocean Atlantic, if you want to go to the west. You know, and I was kayaking with my feet. Doreen, it was beautiful. It's not finished. Tomorrow we'll go on to these seas. Ciao, guys.
Brothers, forgive me for all of my wrongs. The good Lord, He's calling, and it's time to go on home. I wore out my shoes in that wrong way to run. I blistered my skin working hard in the sun. Supper's almost over, and I done cleaned my plate, and there's a light shining yonder, boys, I don't think I'll wait. I'm a laid back one, and I've been one so long. I ain't perfect, you can tell by my songs. Brothers, forgive me for all of my wrongs. The good Lord, He's calling, and it's time to go home. I hear Him calling, and it's time to go